Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another vlog. Today, right now we are in Washington DC. We came here for another Capital Club meeting with American councils, and we're gonna be meeting some more exchange students just like the last time. Yeah, we're meeting some more students, I think this time. Just like the last time we did when we came here and visited Mount Vernon. We're going to the White House. Yeah, but we will check where we're going. But one thing is clear that
we're going to the DAR's American, I think, Resolution Museum, and then to the White House.
Yeah, maybe a museum. I'm not sure, but wherever I go, I will take you guys there. So this is the view from outside. Right now we're waiting in the car, and it's windy today. Look at that.
Cold.
And cold as well. And they also told us that we will be having a workshop first. So and they told us to bring our laptops
Or tablets.
Yeah, or tablets. So I have my this bag with me and laptop. Look at this, it's so windy today.
So just call my name. Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play
Traditional curriculum, and when, especially if you go to west of Ukraine, you can meet a lot of people just fancy events, but they're just like going for a walk with their friends, or they are going to work somewhere. They will wear their traditional clothes, and it's beautiful because I love how people keep our culture. It's important.
Special fonts, and it's all caps. I might add a space here because it kind of melds together in what you can read. I also love that, again, the idea of an image on one side, text on the other. I might add your currency underneath here.
Yeah guys, this is Muntazir. क्या चल रहा है?
हेलो कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है अभी सिर्फ भूखा उधर खाना खा रहा हूँ
Okay, we got halal food today in American councils. This is Indian food that we got.
because the day trip
Okay, how is the food? It's
Very good, very tasty.
Yeah.
I'm just coming because of food. Don't tell anyone. Дуже смачно. Дуже смачно.
Oh, okay.
But I lost like the food.
Oh god. We came to hang out in the bathroom. Look at them.
We're all much.
We're heading out to where?
I have no idea. Oh, we have White House right. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
We will come back.
Yeah, we'll come back. To the Daughters of America Museum, something like that.
Oh, resolution. We have no resolution.
Yeah.
Resolution museum. It's resolution or revolution?
Revolution. Okay, got it.
Resolution. New word. Wait, it is? Yeah. Is it? Is it?
resolution is a final
Resolution. What?
Yeah.
We are
where?
I have no idea. We're somewhere in DC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the same tower
That we had.
Yeah, last time, we came to Washington DC with our school field trip. Yeah, and also I made a vlog on that. And today, we're...
Oh wait, picture.
Yeah. It shouldn't be.
Because we are here.
Yeah, she's here. A very important person.
Oh yeah.
How can you be close? Oh, it's not, thankfully. I think it's not.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Of course. Oh,
Thank you.
welcome.
The museum. Do you want to take it?
No.
Here, just
Hey,
look.
buy something for us.
Yeah, Muntazir, you got money.
Gentlemen.
I'm a
Please.
millionaire. I will buy everything.
Yeah, please. You're a
Buy something
millionaire.
for me. Buy this one. Buy this one.
Yeah. Let me. I want.
Does it cost?
I don't know.
Oh, look at this.
That. Oh, that's so cute.
I want it.
This structure. Look at all this.
What did you open?
The door to Narnia, if I'm being
The door to Narnia?
Yes,
I want to go in the world of Narnia. You know,
Narnia?
I read the books of Narnia,
What is that?
Chronicles of Narnia.
What is it? What is that?
It's a series of books, also movies. You can watch the movies if you like.
grandfather, he had the same thing.
He did?
Yeah, I wanna take it.
Mine?
What is guess?
Let's do one by one.
1, 2, 3, spin it.
Guess the dress.
It's my dress.
No, it's not. No, it's
Wait. I'm guessing.
Okay.
So it's dress Elizabeth. She's United Kingdom, right? Queen. She's not American.
No, she's in England, the Queen of Elizabeth.
delete this video.
I'm gonna keep that. No, I'm gonna keep it because you said a very good point. Do you wanna buy this pajama?
I want to buy this for my brother.
You would really like it.
It's really good. It's so restored.
Usually I don't know professional video. Sorry. I want.
Okay, first do your.
Where is Australia?
You're also here.
You are from America, and so
It should be somewhere.
I'm from
Maryland. Where is Maryland?
Okay, let's.
Maryland.
Oh, you're here, Amelia. You're here.
Oh, district. Oh,
It's okay. You can. It's library. Oh,
It's a library.
quiet.
Is there a time? So we don't just like all like go out at once. So if you guys want to just go ahead and go in and just be
Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
This is just like the model of the White House, right?
Yeah, it's
Look
also.
at this. Biden, 46th president. He was the 46th president.
So 47 president is.
47, yeah, it's Donald Trump. He won the election.
I will be 50.
What?
I will be an ex-president.
Oh, wow.
how old are you?
18.
18. Right now?
Yes.
Oh, here. Oh, what's that?
It's armchair from
President, who is that?
Ford.
Ford? No,
General R. Ford.
that's the White House as home.
Yeah.
We can take pictures there. Lover of the pictures.
Congressional Christmas parties. There would be a wonderful dance party late in the night for the members of Congress, and there were condo lines for congressmen.
During those times, I stayed very close to the White House, and I prayed all that year that I would have a full sense of my
The American Eagle.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is what that's on top of the White House.
Oh, okay. People are taking pictures there. We are roaming, enjoying our day.
Just for.
Exploring our bathroom. That's what you just said. You said you wanted to go and just see inside.
Interesting, God.
Yeah, look at this. It's the White House. That like.
Oh no, it's just the bathroom. It's a typical
Yes.
bathroom. There's nothing saying that it's, no, it's nothing special.
That's what you wanted to see.
Don't go there, guys. It's just special.
Yeah. We got these things. The White House. inside. It's just the history of White House and the building, the structure. Look at this. And then what do we have in the back? Yeah, the motto.
Garden tours only happen twice a year. They're in.
You wanna go inside?
They're in.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, they've already. Stone is very porous by nature. If they did not paint it, it would be very prone to weathering, which is actually why this piece fell off.
Okay, another question. Why White House is the main building of everything? I mean, why president living in a White House? Why not in other house? Like, why not other buildings?
Well, they do sometimes live in other buildings, but the White House is the primary residence. The idea was that this building was established as a place where the framework of government would be executed.
So just call my name. Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
This Washington DC is so lively. I mean,
Everyone
cheerful.
is so busy.
Yeah.
Everyone is so good.
Yeah.
Their outfit, oh my god. We also good though.
Yeah. we are.
I wish I had $1 million and I can come to Washington DC and buy a lot of stuff. I mean, I will go to shopping.
For every weekend.
Oh yeah, and it's
Or
my
forever.
Forever.
Oh, forever.
Oh look, Hotel Washington. Washington was fair.
Oh, okay. That's Hotel Washington.
This time. So just call my name. Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away.
It says the Treasury Department.
I have no idea what's that.
It's related to finances, I guess. A part of the Congress, maybe.
You think so?
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
If it's a part of Congress, why I'm not there? I should be there.
Oh, you're part of
I'm working
Congress?
there, yeah.
Really?
Of course.
Since when? I never knew that.
Since today?
Since today? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, then that's fair if I didn't know that.
Of
It's because
course.
that started from today.
Look, White House. Look. We're so near.
Oh wow. Look at the guy playing music. Look at this girl. This girl is a dancer. Look at this, Amelia got the best moves.
Come on.
There's a protest going on.
Why the Iron Man? Vibration.
I don't know which flag is that.
No, it's cool.
What? I don't know that.
Yeah, but why people in the white?
I don't know why.
Is it Jordan?
I am not sure. I think I searched one of the flags. Mexican or whatever. I'm not sure. But they are protesting.
It's
Whatever.
Iran. It's Iran. I know they're Iran.
Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
You said days, not hours. Because we tired, so we said days.
Yeah, that's why we said days. But we have been just roaming and walking and enjoying and having fun, talking.
Yeah. We were in White House, but we couldn't take pictures because
Yeah, we couldn't go inside. Why are you laughing?
because she is so funny. She was like
It's because she's tired. She's yawning.
but I It's absolutely okay. I'm not judging you.
Okay guys, we're going back to home. I'll say goodbye to you guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.